Hey YouTube, what's up? Nico here with Nico's Wings. How you doing? We're here at my hometown, Patra, at the Marina District, which is beautiful by the seafront. Here with my niece, Evelina. Evelyn. Hi, Evelyn.
Hi.
What's up?
Good.
Say hello to my friends at the YouTube.
Hello.
Today's episode is all about, just very quick, we are going to name the new bird, the new Cirrus SR22 Turbo, November 1 to 2 Sierra Zulu, and you're going to help me do that. And the way it's going to work is that right here, you're going to see a bunch of little surveys, 5 names at a time. 5, that's five names at a time. We don't do that in Greece. Yeah, 5 names at a time, and so from different categories, my favorites, and you can vote as many times as you want, as often as you want, and just pick your favorite, and we'll see who are going to be the finalists, and then we're going to pick the winners. So that's it. And during the following few minutes, while you're going to be seeing all these names popping up here, enjoy some drone footage from my hometown of Patra, Hellas, Greece, as you guys know it. Hellas is the way I know it. Enjoy.
Bye.